How to safely send money from Temu to PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can safely send money from Temu to your PayPal account. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to safely send money from Temu to PayPal, you can use the Temu app or go to temu.com first and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are logged into your account, just click on your profile icon from the top right hand side, and here you'll find various options. We want to simply click on our profile name like this. Now, first of all, you go to your country, region and language and make sure that your country or region is set to United States. After you've done that, on the left hand side you should find a new option called Earn Free Gems and Credits. If you don't, you can also go to this Coupons and Offers tab instead. Now under Earn Free Gems and Credit, if sometimes the campaign is available, you'll find the option called Redeem Cash, which you can simply redeem the credits that you have earned over to your PayPal account. And then you can link your PayPal account in that way. Otherwise, if you are trying to add PayPal to Temu instead, you can also go to this Your Payment Method and choose to add a card from PayPal. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.